It has been a long time since we have made a vlog. So I'm sure you guys have been wondering what's all the talk about function, factory performance, and Technica auto parts. And we're finally here in Thousand Oaks, California, where behind me is what we've been working on for a pretty long time. And we are unbelievably excited to share this with you. This is the new home. We're gonna show you guys what we have been cooking up the past couple months. Behind me is something I want to show you guys, and I'm more than proud to show you guys our new location in Thousand Oaks, California. This is the new home of Function Factory Performance and Racing and Technica Auto Group. So come with me, guys. I'm going to show you really quick. We're going to go through the entire property. This is a vlog covering both companies, and I want to show you guys exactly what we do, what we've got going on in the shop. I do want to show you guys how rough it is because we are working on it currently, and I really want to show you what it's going to look like afterwards. So we've got our little office. So we got Will behind the camera here. So we've got a temporary setup. Got a pretty cool office space here. Again, we haven't done any renovations. It's been only a week since we've been in this property over here. And basically we've just got our little CSR setup going here, taking calls, doing orders, sending out tracking. And I'm hoping in the next few months we can get this thing looking pretty because it's a little rough. It's not our colors. Basically, we just need to organize this room. And right now, the old tenant is still moving out. So a few more days, we'll start making this place look like our own. So let's go into the main shop. This is where the action's gonna be happening. This is it. And if you guys are, I'm sure a lot of you are familiar, we do work on cars and we do modify cars. And I'm sure some of you are going, oh my gosh, California, blah, blah, blah. Well, I've been working on that solution for a pretty long time. And you know, we are a Cobb certified installer. So guess what? We do sell Cobb products and they are carb certified. And if you didn't know, the NX2 is also carb certified. And of course, we do have our 2016 FFP Ford Mustang EcoBoost here. Unfortunately, she did get a little knock-knock action at the last drift event. So kind of sucks. You know, had this motor for a pretty long time. You know, this is a new setup with B&R. Thanks to Brian for that turbocharger, but unfortunately I did overheat the car, and yeah, it just kind of sucks. So we're gonna yank this thing out. It's gonna go to Jesse over at EMS and get torn down to see what exactly happened. I think detonation happened. Might have stretched the rod, could have broke a wrist pin. I'm gonna show you guys what it sounds like and see if we can replicate the noise here. And don't mind that thing up there. We'll talk about that thing one day. Maybe it'll turn into something cool, we'll see. Yeah, I think she just got a little too hot. So let's see if we can hear what happens. And if you guys don't know, there is a fake wastegate on the car and it broke. So the car is extra loud and it sounds not too good. So as you can hear, the tile wastegate has failed. It's leaking exhaust out of the downpipe. And I almost can hear it right now. You can hear the rod knock inside the block. I'm gonna leave the microphone on the hood prop here so you guys can hear it. All right, our Panasonic died real quick, so let's get back in it, guys. This building does have a purpose more than just our storage facility. I don't want to name it yet again. Contract is underway. They have been a sponsor of mine for almost 7 years now, and we're gonna be partnering up with them to offer you one of the coolest and exclusive detail shops in Thousand Oaks. So I guess you guys can put that together. But yes, this is gonna become a detail shop. Been working on this for almost 4 years here. Just really excited to bring this idea to life. Looks like a shop, but we're gonna be transforming this into something that you're gonna be able to pull your exotic, your Camry, whatever you're gonna be bringing us to get detailed PPF or coated to a beautiful facility. You know, again, we'll have that little hangout room. And again, I'm just unbelievably excited about this side and the opportunity to execute on this again, and we've been working on it forever. But let's just wrap it up, guys. Again, we have about 4,300 square feet between both of the facilities here. We are a full service shop. So if you're looking for, you know, an engine from EMS to get installed, you're looking for an NX2 turbo to be installed, or even carbon fiber for your Corvette, Cadillac, Porsche, BMW, or Lamborghini, we do still offer that under the FFR name. Again, this is something we've been doing already previous to this. It's just been a very long journey to get this back up. So again, feel free, guys, to give us a call, contact us if you need an install, if you need a quote, or you just want some general information more about the shop. When is this all gonna get started? Man, give me about 2 more weeks. Give us about 2 more weeks. By the time this video is posted, we'll probably fully be operational on the mechanical side of things when it comes to hands-on labor. What about the detail side? Give us another month. That one's gonna be a tremendous project and hurdle to get over, but again, I'm very excited to tackle that. So, stupid excited to bring you guys more on our side. On Function Factory, we'll be doing a lot of educational content and install content. We're Technical Auto Parts. Get ready to see some really explosive content with all of these really cool Lamborghinis around us.